This is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and in today's video I would like to share a few useful camera tricks and tips for this device. So without wasting any more time, the first cool feature that the camera of this phone has is called the Pro mode. Basically it's the regular photo mode, but with all those parameters available for you to be manually adjusted, changed, and increased or decreased. So in here you can manually set the value for the white balance. You can change the ISO value as well as exposure, shutter speed, and manually set the focus distance, or adjust the focus value manually. The next cool mode that the camera of this phone has is called 108 MP or 108 megapixel. Basically, it allows you to take pictures with significantly higher resolution, improved picture quality, increased definition or dimensions rather, and overall better detailing. So let me take a picture of something just to show you. And then I will also go ahead and take the photo in the regular photo mode as well. Now let's check the details or specification of those pictures. So this one we took with the regular photo mode. This one was higher resolution or ultra resolution. So where are the details? Okay, here they are. So in here, as you can see, here is the resolution and amount of megapixels used, as well as file size for the regular photo mode. And now let's check the high resolution one. So as you can see, the amount of megapixels is way higher, so is the resolution, and the file size is even proportionally increased to the higher extent. So let's see if we'll notice any visual difference. I mean, we should, but I'm not the best photographer out there. So yep, as you can see, the zoom in scale is much bigger, so we can zoom much further into a picture without losing as many details. So as you can see, the zoom cuts off with the default photo, and with the high resolution one we can zoom in much deeper and arguably have more better quality of details. It's if you'll take a photo properly, not like me, you'll see way more difference. But even the pictures that I took swiftly and without too much hassle, you can already see the difference. The next cool mode that I wanted to share with you, you can find at the More section. It is called the GIF mode, and it basically conveniently allows you to record some short, no more than 6 seconds video, and it will be automatically turned into GIF animation or GIF picture or GIF image. So let's test it out. So I'll record the movement of my fingers. And then once the file is saved, if I'll open it, you'll see that now this is a GIF animation rather than a video. So if that's something that you can find a use for, go for it. And final tip is the smallest and shortest one. So as you could have heard, if I'm taking pictures, the camera makes all kinds of sound. And if you would like to mute the camera without entering the silent mode for the whole system, so if you would like to still hear notification sound, ringtone volume, and etc., but you are annoyed by this clicks that the camera produces, you can separately disable all camera sounds by going into settings and tapping at the camera mute option. Once it is yellow, that means that is active, and now the camera will not produce any sounds at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. If you found this little overview helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!